my channel or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I am going to be installing this wig that I got from Wiggins Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So the hair that we are installing today is this 24-inch kinky straight V-part wig. I think this is a Brazilian texture. I'm not sure of the density of the wig. I went to the website to look, but I didn't see anything. I'll see if I can get that information and I'll give it to you. But the wig is very, very, very thick. Like, this is a lot of freaking hair. And this is the kinky straight texture. So this is what it looks like in its natural form. So it really, really matches like natural hair really well, especially like a 4C texture. So again, this is a V-part wig, so they come sewn together like this, but of course you're going to be cutting this apart and it's going to make like a V shape. But on the inside here, it has your 2 clips on each side of the opening. You have your combs for the sides of your hair, and then you have an elastic band that's actually sewn into the inside of the wig, and then you have a comb at the bottom or at the back, and then these 2 adjustable straps on the sides. So in the box they give you these lashes, which are thinner lashes, and I'm so glad they stopped sending like the super thick lashes because I don't really wear those. You get a sheer wig cap, a wig band, an edge brush, and a cute dust bag that says Wiggins Hair to store your hair. This is very important. So let's go ahead and get alright. So jumping right into things, the first thing that we're going to be doing is prepping our hair. So I kind of already have my hair parted a little bit because I had a V-part installed before this. So the way that I prep my hair for V-part wigs is I make sure to leave out some hair for my edges, and then I make 2 anchor braids on each side of my hair. So I'll like part and then braid it and then make sure to leave out my edges. And then I need some hair for the front here, enough to cover my cover the V part. Now with V-part wigs, you don't have to leave out like a ton of hair, but it's important that your part is long enough to cover the V, because the V part in the wig is usually pretty long, and I realized I didn't leave out enough hair, so that's why I'm redoing it right now. All right, so as far as the front part here, I'm gonna leave this out for an anchor braid, and I'm gonna leave this out. Because my hair is shorter in the front, I don't like to leave out like a thick amount of hair. But if your hair is longer, you should be fine. But like, because my hair is shorter in the front, if I leave out like a thick chunk, when I flat iron it, it won't look right. So the key here, even though like I am going to flat iron my hair, so this is going to get thinner, so I probably should take that into consideration. And now I am sectioning that off, and I'm going to braid down my anchor braids on the sides. Final result, I have my leave out in the middle here, my 2 anchor braids on the sides, and this is braided down in the back. So I decided that I wanted to try straightening this hair on a wig stand because it's so thick, and I felt like I'd be able to see what I'm doing better on a wig stand. So what I'm doing now is just like parting the hair into smaller sections, and I'm using my BioSilk and a Fuji shine spray to put on the hair. I'm using a generous amount of the product because this hair is super thick. Normally I wouldn't use that much, but because this hair is so thick, I needed all the moisture I could get. So now this is sped up, but I'm taking my flat iron and I'm just going through in very small sections at a time and using the chase method and flat ironing this hair. I wanted to get this hair as bone straight as possible, but my little wig stand here wasn't that sturdy. I didn't realize like it was not sturdy at all, so it kept moving, so it was hard for me to get this super straight. Also, I think just because of the type of hair texture this is, it's really hard to get it bone straight anyway. This is kinky straight, but this was as straight that I was able to get it. so you just watched me flat iron this, and to be completely honest, it looks the same. I mean, it looks nice and sleek, I guess. I thought maybe taking my time to flat iron it would make a difference, but honey, don't waste your time. So anyways, now I'm just gonna cut this little thing in the middle here. And now we have the V part of a V part wig, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. There's really no right or wrong way to like put this wig on, but I really just slide it on my head. Make sure the band is on the back. I slide on the combs on the back, and then sliding on the side combs, making sure they fit comfortably. But if you gotta adjust it, that is completely fine. Make sure they fit into your anchor braids. I'm just gonna snap them down. I do like that the wig is made in such a way where it fits behind your ear, so that's awesome. And then you want to make sure that it looks okay and flat at the top, which it does. And now, this is all the hair on this wig. This is a lot of freaking hair. All right, and now it's just time to blend my leave out right here with this wig. So I'm going to use my Bio Silk again, same stuff I use for this whole wig, but just like a smaller amount, and just put this all on my leave out. Alright, so this is what the hair is looking like once I blended in my natural hair at the top. I'm using my edge booster. So this is pretty much the finished look. This hair is very, very thick. So this is just me putting all of it like in the front of my face. But to be honest with you, I probably would not wear it like with all of it like this because it's a lot of hair. So you can like spread some to the back. You know what I'm saying? Or really do it like this. There's so much hair. You can do it any kind of way. But I just do it like this so you can see pretty much what it's like, but it's so full. It's really pretty. Me personally, you know, I like wearing stuff behind my ear, so I'll probably do one of these to kind of like distribute the hair evenly because it's so much of it. I'll put this behind my ear so I feel like my face isn't hidden, like it's not drowning in the hair. And so you can see like this. It looks so natural. Like this looks extremely natural. I have no issues with like tangling or shedding. Like, of course I just put it in, so typically when you first put in hair you don't have tangling or shedding, but I'll let you know if I have any trouble later on. But like for right now, it is amazing. It's really, really thick and it just looks really pretty. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And that is it. Adios till next time.